Good morning to everybody. So today onwards we will do some revision for your half-yearly examination. The portions for your half-yearly exam. First one is integers. Then second one is simple equations. Third one is algebraic expressions. Then fourth one is lines and angles. Fourth one is what? Lines and angles. Okay. The total marks will be 40 and then time allotted will be 1.5 hours. That is 90 minutes. Are you getting here? Then there will be 10 1 marks, 3 2 marks, 4 3 marks and 3 4 marks. So total will be 40. Am I right? And then today onwards we will revise lines and angles first. Okay. So what is meant by angle? What is meant by angle? If two line segment meet at a point, then the angles are formed. It is called as what? Angle. It's AOB. Now AOB is an angle. AOB is an angle. When the two lines meet at the same vertex, then the angles are formed. What are the different types of angles? What are they? First one is what? Acute angle. Acute angle means what? An angle which measure more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. If suppose if it is theta, you can name that as. Okay. More than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Then right angle. An angle measure exactly 90 degree. It is called as what? Right angle. An angle whose measure exactly 90, it is called as what? Right angle. Then after that, obtuse angle. An angle measure more than 90 and less than 180. More than 90 and less than 180 is called as what? Obtuse angle. Then fourth one is what? Straight angle. Straight angle means an angle measure exactly 180. It is called as what? Straight angle. Then reflex angle. An angle measure more than 180 and less than 360. More than 180 and less than 360 is called as what? Reflex angle. After that, complementary angle. Complementary angle means what? When the sum of the two angle measure is 90, then it is called as what? Complementary angle. Complementary. Are you getting here? When the sum of the measures of two angle is 90 degree, then it is called as what? Complementary. Supplementary angle. When the sum of the measures of two angle is 180 degree, then it is called as what? Supplementary angle. Are you getting here? Yes. Now, can two acute angles be complement to each other? Can two acute angles be complement to each other? Acute angles means what? More than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Can two acute angles be complement to each other? Can two acute angles be complement to each other? Complement angle means what? When the sum of the two angles is 90 degree, then it is called as what? Complementary angles. Am I right or wrong? When the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then it is called as what? Complementary angle. Can the two angles be complement to each other? Okay. First we will take two complement angles. Okay. Two acute angles. Acute angles means what? More than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. We will consider 989. 89. These two angles are what? Acute angle only. Okay. What is the sum of these two angles? 170, 89, 89. 178. Which is not equal to what? Complement. okay, which is greater than 90 degree. Okay, what is the complement angle? The sum of the two angle measure is 90, then it is called as complement angle. Okay, so it is no, it is not possible to two acute angles be complement to each other. Am I right or wrong? If suppose, if you are taking, in this case 89 plus 89 is what? 178. Suppose if you are taking 30 degree, another one is 60 degree. These both two angles are what? Acute angle. When we are adding this, what are we getting? So 30 plus 60, which is equal to 90 degree. So in this case what? Two acute angles are complement to each other. 45, 45. Both two angles are acute angle, and then sum of the two angles is 90 degree. So yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible. That is, two acute angles may be complement to each other. Are you getting there? But not always. But it is possible. Can two acute angles be complement to each other? Yes, it is possible. Now, after that, can two obtuse angles be complement to each other? Can two acute angles be complement to each other? Yes, we can. Am I right here? Then after that, can two obtuse angles be complement to each other? Can two obtuse angles be complement to each other? Obtuse angle means what? Surely more than 90 degree. Right? More than 90, less than 180. So you can consider the least one, 91, 91 we will take. Right? 91 plus 91 is what? 182 degree. So it is not possible to have two obtuse angles be complement to each other. It is not possible. It is not possible. When can two obtuse angles be complement to each other? No. And then, can two right angles be complement to each other? Can two right angles be complement to each other? Two right angles means what? 90 degree and 90 degree. 90 degree plus 90 degree is what? 180 degree. But 180 degree is not a complementary angle. Am I right? What is the complementary angle definition? When the sum of the measure of the two angles is 90 degree, then it is complement to each other. After that, dear, can two obtuse angles be supplementary? Can two obtuse angles be supplementary? When we can say that two obtuse angles be supplementary, obtuse angle means what? More than 90 degree. So you can consider the same case, 91 degree, 91 degree. 91 degree plus 91 degree is what? 182 degree. 182 degree, which is not a supplementary angle. When the sum of the measure of the two angles is 180 degree, then it is called as what? Supplementary angle. Then, can two acute angles be supplementary? Never. Because you can consider 89, 89. These two angles are what? Acute angle. At the same time, when we are adding, what are we getting? 178. But 178 is not equal to 180 degree. Therefore, it is not possible. Right? When the two angles are acute, then it never be a supplementary angle. Then, can two right angles be supplementary? Yes, pakka. Because 90 degree, 90 degree. These two angles are what? Right angle. At the same time, 90 plus 90 is what? 180 degree. Are you getting here? Yes. So, then can two right angles be supplementary? Yes, it is possible. Then two acute angles be complement to each other. Two acute angles be complement to each other. Then after that, dear, after that, adjacent angles you can find. Adjacent angles means what? It's very simple. If suppose A, it's O, it's B, it is what? C. Right? Now how many angles we are having here? There are two angles. What are they? Three angles. What are they? AOB, BOC and AOC. Alright? AOB, BOC and AOC. Now, these two angles are adjacent. Which two angles are adjacent? Angle AOB, angle BOC are adjacent angles. AOC, AOB and BOC are two adjacent angles. Adjacent angle means what? Yes, tell me. Yes. That is, when the two angles, they have a same vertex. That is, they have a common vertex. Which one is the common vertex here? AOB and BOC are the two angles having the same vertex O. Having the same vertex O. Then, that two angles, they have a common arm. Yes. Here, which one is a common arm here? OB is a common arm. OB is a common arm. Then, the third point. The non-common arm are on the either side of the common arm. Okay. So, this is a common arm. Both the arm OC and OA are lie on the either side of the common arm. Are you getting here? Yes. Then, linear pair. What is meant by linear pair? When the sum of the two adjacent angles are 180 degree, then it is called as what? Linear pair. That is, a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Suppose this is a question. This is a ray, this is a line, this is a line. These two angles are adjacent angles because it is having the same vertex. A, B, C we will take. Here AOB and COB are having the same common vertex O, and it is a common arm. Which one is a common arm? OB is a common arm, and OA and OC are the non-common arms lie on the either side of the common arm, OP. So these two angles are what? Adjacent angle. So when the sum of the two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then it is called as what? Linear pair. Am I right? Okay. Then vertically opposite angles. When we can say the vertically opposite angle, if the two lines intersect at a point. Then how many angles are formed? 4 angles are formed. These are the two lines AB. Another line is CD. Intersect at a point O. Then the vertically opposite angles are equal. That is, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Then angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. If the two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. Based on this concept, today I am going to give 10 or 15 questions for your practice. Please every day practice at least 10 questions. Okay. So then only it will helpful for your half-yearly exam. Please remember, at the same time, today try to complete exercise 5.1. Apart from that, I will give 10 or 15 questions for your practice. Thank you everybody. And then tomorrow we will revise transversal and parallel lines. Are you getting there? Yes. Thank you everybody. Thank you.